If you want to create a 3D image effect in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn a regular photo into a more dynamic, eye-catching 3D style image using just a few simple steps. This is a great effect for reels, shorts, intros, thumbnails, and any project where you want your image to stand out more on screen. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and make sure your photo is already placed on the timeline. If you haven't added it yet, import your image and drag it onto the project so you can work on it directly. Once your photo is on the timeline, look at the top left of the screen and click on the Effects tab. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of visual effects that can be applied to your clips and images. In the search bar, type Player 3. This effect is the one we're going to use as the base for the 3D image look. After you find it, drag the effect directly onto your timeline photo. As soon as it's applied, you'll notice the effect starts changing the look of your image. Now go to the right side configuration panel, because this is where the important adjustments happen. The first thing you want to do is set texture to 0. This helps remove any extra visual detail that you don't want in the final look. After that, set glow to 0 as well. This clears out the unwanted music player style graphics and keeps the effect cleaner and more focused on the image itself. Once those two settings are removed, you can move on to the part that gives the image its 3D feel. Scroll down in that same panel until you find the rotate or perspective sliders. Depending on your version of CapCut, the labels may look slightly different, but the goal is the same. These sliders control the angle and depth of the effect. Start tweaking them slowly so you can physically tilt and arch the clip along a 3D grid. Small adjustments usually work best because they give the image a more realistic and polished look instead of making it feel too extreme. As you move the sliders, watch the preview carefully and stop when the image has the amount of depth you want. If you want a subtle effect, keep the angle light. If you want something more dramatic, push it a little further until the photo feels more dimensional. The key is to experiment until it looks right for your content. You can also combine this effect with other CapCut edits like motion, zoom, or blur to make the final result even more engaging. Once you're happy with the 3D look, play the video back a few times and make sure everything feels smooth and clean. If needed, go back and fine-tune the texture, glow, rotate, or perspective settings until the image looks exactly how you want. And that's it. You've now created a 3D image effect in CapCut using a simple effect, a couple of cleanup adjustments, and the right angle controls. It's a quick trick, but it can make your edits look way more professional. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.